Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to send a newsletter first email instantly in Brevo. In another way, how to fix this error message of at least one field is required to add a time delay. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Brevo account, then go to automations. And here, as you see, I have two automations, one active and one inactive. Let's work on this active automation or newsletter. Let's open it. As you see here, my first email that I want to send almost instantly have a waiting period that before it. But when I try to use 0 months, 0 days, 0 hours, 0 minutes to send this first email instantly after form submission or a contact is added to this list, I see that at least one field is required to add a time delay. So how to send this first email? Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom Builders Academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. First email instantly, instead of trying to use 0 minutes in this waiting delay, you should delete this waiting period step like that. Click on these three dots and select delete. Here this automation is active. You may not see this message. Click on delete step, and just like that, this email will be automatically sent or immediately sent after someone is joined this list or met the criteria you've set. And this is how to send a newsletter first email instantly in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.